Let's look at how you can tile multiple documents that are opened in Photoshop. Look at this document. You have this document 1, 2, 3 on tabs, and there are different tabs. There are situations where you want to compare, the images or what is in this document with the other document, and you want to see them side by side. Maybe you have different versions you've designed for a particular project, and you want to compare them, or probably you want to take an image or a layer from one particular document and into another document. That's what we're going to look at. That's what we are looking at right now. So go into Windows, look at the arrange. You have tile all vertically. You can actually tile all of them. You can do 2 and tile. Okay, let's do that. So you can see we have all the 3 documents, tiled vertically. We can also come back here and then tile horizontally, so we can see all of them. Let's come back. Let's say 2 horizontal, so we have 2 of these tiled horizontally. We also have this one, so we can also tile. You can do vertical, so 2 of them are now side by side. So this is how you can tile your document. For example, let's say I needed this particular document. Inside this document, it's pretty simple. Just select it. If you hold down Shift, it's going to put it at the center. So I'm just going to drop it there. Right? So if I come here, you can see I'm able to actually copy this and put it here. The reason why I hold Shift is because it's going to put it at the center. So you don't have to do that. So let me do Ctrl Z. Right? So you can see that it's gone. Let's come back here. I can just simply drag it. Right? You can see when I do this, it wasn't centered. So let's get rid of it again. Ctrl Z. So remember, this must be active. The window you select and you want to move must be active. You can see that it's lit up. If I come here, this one lit up also. So that is the way it is, you see. So I'll just simply drag this, hold down Shift and drop it here. Right? Apart from comparing, I want to arrange them to compare the 2 documents. I also move a layer from one document to the other. So that is it. So once you are done comparing or moving, then you can go back to the arrange. Then you can say consolidated. So you can on your own, you can try other ones. You have up to 6 documents you can, So let's consolidate. Now we have this here. So it doesn't really matter if I get rid of this. This will still be there because I have copied it from that folder. Right? So there are other methods of bringing in, other image or file inside your existing document. One of the other methods is to go to File, then go to Place Embedded. So here we can pick, wherever you want here, then say place. So you can see we'll be able to place it. Right? So that's another way of bringing in existing file inside your current document. So that is it.